Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. The disk is write protected when you're formatting your USB drive or any flash drive in your PC. So let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is open CMD and run as administrator. Then once you open CMD, just type diskpart here and hit enter. Now type list disk and it will list all the disks installed in your PC. Just search for your USB flash drive. For my case, I have 14 GB connected of my flash drive, so this is disk number 3. Now just type select disk and your disk number. For my case, I have 3, so I will type select disk 3. Now what you have to type is attribute disk. Just type this and hit enter, and here you will see read only is set to yes. We have to set it to no. Now how to do this? Just type attribute disk clear read only. Once you do this, this attributes cleared successfully would be written here. This means your read only has been set to no. Now once you check again attribute disk, as you can see read only is set to no. Now just close this and your problem should be solved. Try formatting your disk or flash drive again and it will format just fine. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.